Are Pawns surveys really a new great survey opportunity where you can earn more or less from all countries by taking surveys, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have several videos where I've talked about Pawns because it's a passive way to earn some extra money, but they have now also expanded to offer paid service in many different countries, and in this video I will show you what you can expect from Pawns surveys and how to complete them so you can find out if you should take advantage of this opportunity or not. So before I log in and show you how you can earn by taking the Pawns service, let's first talk about the platform in general, because it started as a passive way to earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, and it still offers that, and you can still do this from basically all countries. So it can be a great way to earn passively whenever you're online, but it then also a while ago started offering paid surveys, at first in a few countries, and now it has expanded, so now paid surveys are available in close to 100 different countries. And even in some countries where it can usually be difficult to find paid service, it now has paid service available. You can join on the website, and you can also earn by sharing your internet on your computer, and you can get access to your account and cash out and all that on the website itself. But to take the paid service, you do need to use the Pawns app. So let me now log into the app, and then I can show you how that works. And just to clarify, you can use the app both on Android devices and iOS devices to take paid service. So I have now logged into the Pawns app, and inside here you can also earn on your phone by sharing your unused internet. So you can use it on several devices. If you use it on several devices, you should just make sure to also connect it to different IP addresses. But if you have a phone internet, then that's one way to do it. But that's just something to consider. But as mentioned in this video, we will focus on the surveys because that's kind of where there's been a lot of changes since I last talked about it. And when you're inside the app, then you can here see there are survey options. At the time of recording this video, that is not available on the website, just to clarify that again. And here then you can just see the available surveys. If you happen to live in a country where the surveys are not yet available, then that option will not be there. But it started with a few countries, now it's close to 100 countries, and they will likely also expand to more countries. So if it's not there right now, it might be there soon for you. But as you can see, it's a very easy way to get an overview. You can see the estimated time. In this case, for example, it would be 2 minutes. I would get 20 cents for it. So some of the surveys, they give quite good rewards for your time, others not so great. That's in general how it is with survey apps, that of course you need to just choose wisely. But overall, I would say the rewards you get for many of the surveys here, in my experience, are quite good. And I have tested hundreds of different survey sites. So I do like that they now have this option because it can be a really great way to boost your earnings. And it also makes it very easy to reach the payout threshold. If you both run the passive way of earning and combine it with surveys, it really will not take long. But speaking of payout options, let's talk about how you can actually get paid. So I now just jump back to the website to talk about the payout options because it was just a little bit easier to show it here. But as you can see, you still have the same options here. You have the payout options, the referral section where you can invite others, you can download all these things, and then the payout options. You can also get paid from inside the app. So, that's definitely also an option if you prefer that. And the payout options will vary depending on the country you live in, but in general, in most countries, you can get paid via Bitcoin and PayPal, and you can do this once you've earned $5. That really does not take long to earn if you combine it with the surveys and the passive way to earn here. And if you're not yet a member, and then you can get a $1 joining bonus also. I will leave a link below to a full written tutorial I have on my website where you can also read about the passive way of earning, and if you join through that there, you can also get a $1 joining bonus into your account. But anyways, no matter what, the payout options you can see here, they will vary. In the US, for example, there's a lot of different gift cards you can choose from also, which is definitely great. But for example, in some countries, let's just take, let's say if in Pakistan, you can see then they have a virtual Visa card and a Bitcoin. If we, for example, look in, let's take another country there. Let's take in Canada, you can see here they have a couple of gift cards and PayPal and Bitcoin. So there are good options for basically all countries, and I do like that they also have both Bitcoin and cash and then gift cards. So there's a good options to choose from, and a low payout threshold, which is definitely also always a big plus when it comes to earning platforms, in my opinion. So as you can see, using Pawns service can be a great way to earn extra from the platform, and I really like that they have expanded so much so you can now find paid service in so many different countries, and they do pay decently, and there are definitely a good number of paid service available. And when you combine it with good payout options, in my opinion, and a fairly low payout threshold, then it definitely can be worth using. And if you just relied on the passive way of earning, which I still think can be a good option, then it could take quite some patience to reach $5. But now if you combine it with the paid service, in some countries you can easily do that in a day. But of course, again, how many paid service, how much they will pay, that will always vary depending on the country you live in. That's just how it is with paid service. But if you want to know more about Pawns or want to join, then I do have a full written tutorial on my website. There's a joining link at the top of that. On that website there, you can also see I have a video with payment proof there. I have described exactly how the passive way of earning works and all this. In this video, I just wanted to focus on the service because that's where there's been some big updates since I last talked about it. But I'll leave a link to that below, so then you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.